Some English words look one way, but sound totally different. Let's fix 5 pronunciation traps today. Welcome back to That Makes Sense, where we clear up confusing English. Today's words are often misunderstood just from the spelling. Are you ready? This one surprises everyone. It's not choir, it's choir. Choir, like require, without the r. Example sentences. She sings in the choir. The choir performed beautifully.
Yes, sir.
It's not a recipe. We say recipe. Recipe, with a stress on the first syllable. Example sentences. Do you have the recipe for this? I found a great recipe online.
The correct way to say it is vehicle. Vehicle. Don't stretch it into vehicle. Keep it simple and light. Example sentences. This vehicle is electric. The road was closed to all vehicles. Our new TOEIC series is coming soon, packed with the words you need to know for the test.
Subscribe now to our channel, That Makes Sense, and visit our websites, English Pro for online lessons and ProSpeak for in-person business English courses, so you don't miss out.
Wow!
The B is totally silent. We say subtle. Subtle. It means something that's small or hard to notice. Example sentences. I noticed a subtle difference. That was a subtle way to say it.
In English, it's Mexico. Mexico. The X sound sounds like X. Example sentences. I traveled to Mexico last year. Mexico has beautiful beaches.
Quick quiz. Which word has a silent letter? A. Vehicle. B. Subtle. C. Mexico. Write your answer in the comments.
Let's review. Choir. Choir. Recipe. Recipe. Vehicle. Vehicle. Subtle. Subtle. Mexico. Mexico.
Which one was the hardest for you? Practice out loud and let us know.
And if you want more support, visit our websites, ProSpeak and English Pro. Links are below.
See you next time on
That makes sense!
またね